Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from mathupdates.com, and today we are going to see one question from derivation, which is chapter 2, and we have 2.3 exercise and question number 14, which is like 1 plus x minus 1 minus x square root and 1 plus x square root plus 1 minus x square root. We are going to take the derivative with respect to x. Now for that one we are going to just simplify that equation, and for simplifying we are just going to take like solution, and we are going to take that one and multiply with minus, like 1 plus x minus 1 minus x, and we have 1 plus x and plus 1 minus x, and we are going to multiply and divide 1 plus x with minus sign, that same thing with minus sign. Okay, 1 minus x and 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. Next we are going to just make like multiplying that one, and you can see that 1 plus x and minus 1 plus 1 minus x, and that is 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. That two are same quantity, therefore we are going to take the square of that one, and for these we are going to write like equation, and we have 1 plus x and we have 1 minus x whole square, it is equal sign, and here in bottom we are going to say like a square minus b square, 1 plus x square root square, and we have minus 1 minus x square root square. And therefore when we are going to do that one, we are going to open the square from here, and that is a minus b square. Therefore we are going to apply a minus b square, 1 plus square root square plus 1 minus x square root square, and minus 2 1 like 1 plus x and 1 minus x, and in bottom we are going to write 1 plus x, that since both square root with square will cut down, and we will get 1 plus x minus 1 and minus minus plus x, and that 2 1 will cut down, and here we will also cut that 2 1, and we will get like 1 plus x plus 1 minus x, and we have minus 2, and we have like we will see 1 plus x and 1 minus x, we have 2, and we are going to take 1 square root here, and in bottom we are going to write like 2x. Now again we are just going to make some cut that 2x plus x and minus x, and we have 1 which will come 2, and we have minus 2, and here we have a square root like a minus a plus b and a minus b, like on the formula. Then therefore 1 square minus x square we will get, and from here we have 2x, and next we are going to take 2 here common, and we will get 1 and 1 minus x square, and here we will get 2x, and when 2 will cut down with each other, and we will get 1 minus x squared over x. And here that is the simplest form of that equation, since we are going to say that y is equal to 1 minus x square over x, and derivating that with respect to x. Now derivate and with respect to x, then we have dy over dx, which is equal to d over dx of 1 minus x square over x. And when we are going to derivate that one, then it will be with quotient rule, we are going to do that easily. And for that one, you know that the dividend will be as it is, and we are going to take the derivative of first one, which is first that, and second is that one, 1 minus x square. And we have now a minus sign, since that will come from the formula, as we have already proved that one, and that will remain as it is, 1 and 1 minus x square. And we have d over dx, and we are going to divide that with x square. Now again we are going to do one more step here, x, and we are going to derivate that one, since 1 is 0, and minus d over dx, it will come like I'm going to write d over dx of 1 minus x square, or we can write 1 minus x square, that is 1 over 2. Okay, that is 1 over 2. And next we have minus, and minus minus, that will be minus 1, and minus minus, that will be plus, and 1 minus x square, and that will do cut down with each other, and we have in bottom x square. Now what we are going to do, we are going to derivate this part. Here we are going to write like I have let me just check. Okay, we have minus, I have minus here, I will take minus with x, and then we are going to derivate that one. And when we are going to derivate that one, then we have like taking the power at the bottom, and 1 minus x square, and 1 over 2 minus 1, and then we are going to derivate again the main function, or here 1 minus x square, and minus 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now what will I do here? Let me just make that bracket as well, and here I'm going to write 1 over x, and 1 over x square, this one, and bring that to the outside for the easy purpose. Okay, now again we are just going to write 1 over x square, and we have minus x, and we have 1 over 2, and that will be 1 over 2, and we have 1 minus x square, and that will come minus 1 over 2, and when you are going to derivate 1, that will be 0, and we have again minus, and we are going to derivate that x square, and it will come like 2x, and minus 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now what else we have right now? We are going to do one more step here, 1 x square, we have minus x, and that will come at the down with like 1 over 2, 1 minus x square, 1 over 2, and we have like 2 minus 2x, like minus 2x. Okay, and we have minus 1 plus 1 minus x square, and next we are going to cut that one, and minus minus will be plus, and that will be x square. Now 1 over x square, minus minus plus, and that will be x square, x and x square, and we have 1 minus x square root, and we have minus 1 plus 1 minus x square. Now again we are just going to come here, and we make like taking LCM, and we have like x square and 1 minus x square root, and here we will get 1 minus x square. Since we have 1 here, it will multiply with this one, and the same thing will come, and we are going to multiply with minus 1, and this one, when 1 minus x square multiply by 1 minus x square, that two are same, therefore we will get like 1 minus x square whole square, and that will cut down with each other, and therefore we will get like what we will get like 1 over x square, which is equal to 1 over x square, and x square minus 1 minus x square, and we have here 1 and minus x square, and we have 1 minus x square square root. And next what we are going to do, and we are going to write like 1 over 1 over x square. I'm going to multiply that with this one, and it will cut down since that two are going to cut down with each other. Therefore we are going to write like 1. First I will write 1, and then I will write 1 minus x square, and then we are going to down we write x square, and then we have 1 minus x square, and hence that is the answer of that question. I hope you got the idea that how we are going to solve the derivative of the fraction which we have done already. And if you have any problem, or if you want to ask any question which you have not understood yet, you can comment that in comment box, and I will be right back with your answer. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like that video, thumbs up that one. For now, give me permission, and goodbye.